Hello everybody, I'm Frida Stoffer. I have an outfit on. It's a sweater set. It's a long skirt and a short sweater, like a crop sweater almost, but it fits oddly enough because the skirt is really long and I have to roll it 3 or 4 times. I'm making my dinner. I have a keto. Ali, can you hand me the pack of spinach wraps?
Yes.
No, the wraps. That, yes. I used the spinach wrap from Extreme Wellness Spinach and Herb High Fiber, and it's keto friendly. I bought those from Kroger, and the brand is it's Olay. I've always liked Olay wraps and things. They're good. So I have that wrap, and I put sour cream, a layer of sour cream on my wrap, and then I put ground beef that I cooked with taco seasonings, and then I put some lettuce here, and I'm going to put salsa con queso. It's cheese sauce with salsa in it. I was thinking of putting crispy jalapenos or jarred jalapenos, and I think it'll be the jarred ones because the wrap has a few carbs, and the crispy jalapeno. These are crispy jalapenos for like salad topping, and they will have more carbs than the jarred ones. So in this wrap, since the wrap has carbs, I'm just gonna have the jarred jalapenos because I want flavor. Okay, it's beef, lettuce, jalapenos, and sour cream on that cheese sauce. I have chicken. I marinated some chicken and put it in the air fryer, but I don't think I cooked it long enough. I put it back in so it can keep cooking. Bismillah. I had breakfast like really early in the morning, 7:15 or something, and then I had things to do. So I got lunch. For lunch, I had nuts. I got a can of mixed nuts from the Arabic store because I took my niece to the Arabic store, and that was my lunch. It's delicious. Beef and lettuce and cheese and sour cream, cheese sauce. Jalapenos count as a vegetable too. I made the kids more carbs I mean, more carb choices. They have potatoes and rice to choose from, besides wraps. Mmm. It's good. I have a feeling to sit down and watch TV and put my feet up because my feet are swollen. But that always happens when I go out and don't spend any part of the day relaxing. But I have, I need to wash the dishes before I sit. I gave the kids foam plates this afternoon for their dinner. That's something I'll never do. I never do that, but I'm behind on dishes. I think I'll have coffee. Coffee apparently speeds up metabolism. Mmm.